Okay, let's talk about unlocking perfect speaking skills. Whether you're gunning for a promotion or just want to crush your next presentation, I've got every tip you need to level up fast. First up, clarity is king. When I speak, I keep things simple. Short sentences, clear ideas. If I'm lost in jargon, my audience is too. So, I always ask, could a 10-year-old understand me? If not, I rewrite. Next, practice. Yes, it sounds obvious, but I record myself, play it back, and cringe a little. That's how I spot the R's and ums. Even 5 minutes a day makes a huge difference. Now, let's talk about pacing. I used to race through my points, but now I pause. Let the message land. Silence isn't awkward, it's powerful. Eye contact, super important. If I'm on video calls, I look at the camera, not my screen. In person, I connect with different faces, not just one. It makes everyone feel included. Storytelling transforms everything. When I weave in a quick story or analogy, people remember my point way better. It's like giving your message a coat of paint. It pops. Feedback is gold. I'll ask a friend or colleague for honest input. Sometimes it stings, but it's the fastest way to improve. And finally, confidence. I fake it till I make it. Shoulders back, deep breath, own the room, even if my heart is pounding. So, to perfect your speaking, keep it clear, practice often, pace yourself, make eye contact, share stories, ask for feedback, and stand tall. Unlock those secrets.